if you ever crash your car and it does not turn on. This is a quick video on how you can turn it on. Locate your engine starter. Remove the air intake box. Make sure you have a well-charged battery. This 2010 Acura MDX has the starter right here. It is right under the battery of the car. Remove the starter solenoid plug. Connect the electrical alligator clip to the solenoid connection. You can also use any wire or a similar wire you might have. Make contact with the solenoid connection. Link to buy alligator clips will be in the description. This is how I connected the alligator clip. The car has an electrical issue that does not let it turn on. That is why this process was made. I left the ignition switch to the on position. Like and subscribe. Now I got my alligator clip that I connected to the starter and made contact with the positive terminal of the battery. And now the car turned on with this method.